Hey guys, Jake here again. Today's video, we're going to fix a very common problem. There's a lot of people out there that have a toilet that for some reason or another keeps on partially flushing itself. There's no water on the floor, there's no water leaking off the side or underneath the tank, between the tank and the bowl. For some reason or another, the water level just seems to go down like every 30, 45 minutes or an hour, just enough for the toilet valve to engage and put a little bit of water over there in there and just top it off again. In my case, I've changed all the parts. I changed the flapper twice, I changed the valve, I changed the whole downspout, I changed the two bolts that hold the tank to the bowl, I changed the big seal, of course, that goes between the tank and the bowl, and I thought after I changed all these things more than once, that has to fix the problem. However, it did not. By the way, guys, if you've not subscribed yet, please subscribe. We have a lot of cool videos coming up ahead. Okay, let me show you guys how to fix this thing once and for all. You see this tube that is pushed down into the center tube? Basically, every time you flush the toilet, that is going to shoot water down that center tube. Okay, so I just want to show you something. I don't actually know the mechanism by the way this thing works, but I discovered that there's an inherent problem with this hose. Now, I don't know why they do this, but they make the hose too long. What I'd like you to do is take the hose out of that tube and just poke it in there by about maybe a half an inch to 3/4 of an inch. But mainly, you want to make sure that the tip of that hose is above the water level. Now what you could do is you can simply pull it out and just let it sit in there by a half inch, 3/4 of an inch. Or you can take it one step further and you could just simply take a pair of scissors and trim that hose so that only a small amount of it is poked in there and you don't have a whole lot of it looped up on top that might hinder the flush mechanism or push up against the top of the lid of the tank. And that's what I decided to do. So after I reached into the tank to take out that small piece of hose I cut off and I sprayed myself right in the face, I was able to take that hose and carefully just poke it in like a half inch to 3/4 of an inch into the hole. Now it's not all bunched up on top and it's still above the water level when the water is at the highest point. And I'm telling you guys, this is going to fix your problem. If it doesn't, then you could take your toilet, throw it away, and buy a new toilet. But as a last resort, I want you to try this, and you are going to be amazed that this actually solves your issue. As always, I thank you very much for watching this video. I did link some of the parts if you do truly need to buy flappers and valves and everything else. I did link the parts to Amazon where I know you can buy these things. And once again, comments are welcome. Thumbs up are appreciated. Have a great day. Bye.